Hello, lovelies, and welcome to Truly Tara. Yay, I'm back from vacation and it is time for the giveaway. So I'm going to be throwing some makeup and Truly into one of these bags. You can pick which one you want if you win. So you're going to have to wait till the end of this video though, and I will give you the instructions on what we're going to do. Okay, so I have Lurella today. This is not one of their monthly boxes. This was a mystery box. I think I got it for half off. It was still 85, but I broke it down into 4 payments with, I think, Afterpay. So that helps kind of, take the sting out of it being so much, but there's so much in the box, right? So, all right, let's unbox this. Let me just show you. Like, I've already been through this box. I really like to show you guys what I get. But I already filmed it once and it just didn't, trying to open everything, like they have everything so packaged, like it was just too much. So, all right, we're going to start with this. And oh, that light messes with me, I swear. And I'm not going to be able like, okay, so this is a mirror and I'm not going to show you like this, like, so cute. Like, I seen whenever I first opened the box, I was like, oh my gosh, I got a mirror. Cool. It's the first mirror that I've ever got in a box. All right. So next we have totally tubular. Come on, Tara. This is so, I love that because that is definitely some 80s colors right there. Check on it. I'm gonna have to figure out like a better lighting situation. Like it just, I mean, even just there. Okay. I don't want to touch this one. I think that I'm going to put this one in the giveaway. Just because, like, those are not my colors. I do love this. I love the 80s because I was definitely an 80s baby, but it's not my colors, so I'll never wear it. So it's just going to sit here and sit here and sit here. So it might be a part of this giveaway. It might be. It is definitely going to be given away though. Okay, so next we have an awesome bag that is full of some awesome brushes. This is what got me into Lurella. I ordered some brushes a few months back and I'm very happy with the brushes. But then I stopped ordering from them for a while, and I think that it was because I thought that it was just like lashes and brushes. So yeah, like now I don't know, like I'm glad that I've seen probably something online that like convinced me to start looking at the site again, because I mean, my gosh, they have some amazing makeup products. Okay, now this is, I should not have opened this. Okay, so this is eyelash cleaner, and I guess this is for fake, I don't, ooh, I wish I wouldn't have opened it, because, well, I mean, it's still in its box, it's just, daggone it. I guess it's to clean those type of eyelashes. I'm not sure. Like, I'm gonna have to get in the directions and look. But next thing is some beautiful lashes. I don't do lashes, unfortunately. If Christy was still at work, I would be giving them to her because I think that she likes lashes. Okay, so next we have a facial exfoliator. Best part about being at the beach was like all the exfoliating that I had going on with the sand. It was awesome. Okay, so then another little bag. This one is empty. It's just a makeup bag. Okay, next we have some Lurella mascara, which that is a heavy, I don't know if you can see it, like it's heavy. I've never tried Lurella mascara before, so I'm very excited to try it. Okay, now next we have Lurella liner, and it's in cocoa. And I seen on the side, it says developed and designed with Japanese techniques. And I was like, eh? So I guess this is an eyeliner. Um, but look, that's really cool. I don't think I've ever got a liner that's been in a square before. Um, but I'm gonna swatch it and see. I mean, yeah, I mean, I guess that's eyes. I don't know. I mean, that would be hard to do your lips, I guess. I don't know. So, but that's, there it is, pretty color. Yeah, I don't know. So next we have, I'm just silly. I mean, I'm in here by myself and I'm laughing at myself like a crazy person. Okay. So I think that this is, it doesn't say if it's a lip liner or an eyeliner. So I'm really going to have to get on Lurella's site and figure out what, what is what. So this is another brown liner. And I'm pretty sure that this is a lip liner. That's a horrible, what a line there. Okay. So yeah, that's, I mean, I'm going to be keeping this because I love browns. All right. Now next, this is some lipstick. And this is way out of my, that's definitely going to be given away. I mean, pink looks wonderful on some people and red, like I don't know if I could pull off like a really deep red, but like it's got to be, I don't think that reds look good on me. I just do not. Okay. So next we have a highlighter, and it is called Gliss. Very pretty packaging. Already got my fingerprints all over it. So let's swatch this. Very pretty. So I can't wait to try that. Now, last but not least is this. This is so cool. It is called Till Death, and it is a palette. Oh, and when you open it, be careful. Be careful when you, because it comes apart. That these are some of the prettiest colors that I've ever seen. Okay. Like, just right up my alley. See, I already done one vid and swatched it. Okay, so this is called Unbearable. And put it, yeah, okay. Dang, that's more of a, well, no, I was going to say that's more of a highlighter than the other one, but not really. Okay, so this is Heartthrob. These are really colors that are up my alley. I keep saying up my alley, but I can't help it. They are. This is, yeah, Cherish. Yeah, so I really, I love browns. Like, that's just, I love nude colors. Let's try the Vulnerable. Oh, yeah. Very, very, very pigmented that one was. This is Finally Yours. So that's a very gold. So look at those. Those are pretty. They're very pigmented. They're wonderful. And that was just one side. This is, these are a little bit darker. I'm not going to swatch them. Like, you get the gist, but they are beautiful. And that packaging is just to die for. I mean, it is. So there she is. Okay, so that is all for that box. That was an amazing box. Very much worth 85 bucks. So let's start talking about liking, subscribing, and commenting. Please make sure that you're doing those things. ring the notification bell. That way you get a notification. I mean, I hope that you love watching my videos. If you do, please make sure to do that. I really want to grow this. I never thought that I would make it to 70 people, but I'm like at 72 now. So please, like, do the things and make sure that you're commenting. But okay, so let's start talking about the giveaway. All right. I've been saying that I'm going to do a little quiz. So in the comments, you tell me. In one of the last, well, in the last couple videos, I've had a little fur baby come in and kind of mess me up. I mean, not horribly, but like, she's been messing with my camera. So what color is she and what is she? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. And again, like, I don't know. I mean, I get everybody loves both skincare and makeup. Like I was gonna say, like say what it is, and then put if you like skincare or makeup. But everybody loves both, so it's going to be full of both. So let me know what she is, and over the next couple of videos, I'm going to ask another question. And so that's going to get you in the drawing, is answering the question. And if you get all right, then you're entered. And then I might try to do maybe a unicorn race like Truly does on their little site. I'm pretty sure you can go to it. There's a bunch of different things that you can do. It's probably not going to be a unicorn race. Like, it'll be something that you can watch. Because the name and the hash is kind of boring. But if that's what we have to do, then that's what we'll do. I know you guys are ready for it because I'm ready for it. All right, I guess that's all for this one. Again, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know that you're there. And I'll see you guys in the next. Bye. It's good to be back.